Adab. It is my singular privilege to invite you to Habib University's first Lady Fatima Endowed Chair in Women and Divinity lecture series. The Chair in Women and Divinity is our first endowed chair and is also a global first, both in its dedication and in its topic of women and divinity. It is propitious that our first endowed chair was established in the run-up to Habib University's 10-year anniversary, and its endowment represents our coming of age by the grace of God. The Chair in Women and Divinity is housed in our unique Comparative Humanities program and is meant to emphasize research in the feminine aspects of divinity and spirituality, as well as women's roles in religious traditions. These are all topics which have been massively neglected, not just to the detriment of women, but of our societies and traditions as a whole. As such, the Lady Fatima Endowed Chair in Women and Divinity is a path-breaking and seminal event in knowledge production well beyond Habib University, even as it is, of course, a special honor for us at Habib. The Endowed Chair will bring excellent scholars to Pakistan, both in its chair position as well as in the lecture series and, inshallah, conferences associated with the topic of the chair in subsequent years. We are proud to have Dr. Larisa Jasarevic as the first speaker in the lecture series. Dr. Jasarevic works on climate ecology, climate futures, as well as in the sciences and metaphysics of the heart. She is especially keen on blending critical ecological thinking with insights from Islamic metaphysics. Her books include Beekeeping in the End Times, a profound and beautiful book on the bee apocalypse from an Islamic eschatological perspective. I enthusiastically and warmly invite you to attend the lecture on the 5th of September at 5 p.m. at Habib University, and much look forward to welcoming you to our campus, inshallah. Khuda Hafiz.